There's a lot of tension on the strings of the guitar, and something small can cause the guitar to detune. In this video I'm going to show you how to tune your guitar with 3 simple tips. During this video I'm using a tuner to tune my guitar. When you're going to tune your guitar, it's important to know what tone the string should be to tune it correctly. Tip 1. A mnemonic for the string names. The names of the string are from thick to thin: E, A, D, G, B and E. A mnemonic to remember the string names: Easter, Angels, Don't, Give, Broken, Eggs. Or maybe there's another nice mnemonic in your language. When your guitar is out of tune, you need to tune it by using the guitar tuning knobs. Tip 2. Tighten or loosen the string to get a pure tone. When the string is tuned correctly, the pointer is in the middle of the tuner. When the pointer is on the left side of the center, that means that we have to tighten the string by turning the tuning knob away from you. When the pointer is on the right side of the center, that means that we have to loosen the string by turning the tuning knob towards you. Where you're tuning the guitar, it's important to face your hand palm down towards the guitar head. So when we're using the knobs on the bottom, the turning direction is the same. Turning the knob away from you to tighten the string and turning the tuning knob towards you to loosen the string. Tip 3. Don't turn the guitar's tuning knob too much right away, because when you detune the string too much, you have to use your ears to get it right again. If this is the case, start loosening the string, but keep the tension on the string. It's easier to tune upwards from a lower note to prevent the string from snapping. You can use a piano or a tuning app to get the right tone. And when you use a tuning app, it's important to keep this in mind. So now it's a D flat, it's lower than the E. We have to tighten the string by turning the tuning knob away from us. Or you can use your ears to get the tone correctly. When you're near the tone, you can use a tuner again to get the tone pure. There are a lot of different tuners you can use to tune your guitar. Check out my other video about different tuners. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.